Coffee tayo, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Maganda yung araw namin dito, guys. Mainit. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Kain tayo ng calchis, guys. Yan, calchis and gatas na with burst 3. Lagyan ko ng konting stick coffee, guys.